I got to 1,000 watch hours in a space of 5 days, and that is what was able to help me monetize this particular YouTube channel you are watching right now. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you two easy and simplest strategies you can use on YouTube here to get your first 1,000 subscribers very fast, and even you can use the same strategy to get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. You understand? Now, it is two strategies. Your second strategy is the lazy man's approach. Okay, in fact, that one is a tutorial. Okay, for the second one, what you're going to do is that we are going to sleep. By the time we wake up, we are going to get our 4,000 watch hours. Yes, so that is it. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, but then let's first of all look at the first one. Okay, now the first thing you want to do if you want to get to 4,000 watch hours very fast, or if you want to get 1,000 watch hours in 5 days, is that you need to start creating very long videos. You understand? Yes. Now, what I mean by long form videos, I'm not talking about 10 minutes video. I'm not talking about 20 minutes video. I'm not talking about 30 minutes video. I'm talking about 1 hour plus videos. You understand? Now, this is how it works. When your videos are short, the watch hours you accumulate on the video too becomes small. You understand? But when the video is very lengthy, the watch hours you accumulate on the video too becomes very lengthy. You get me? So, for instance, if you make a video that is, 6 minutes long, you understand, and you get 12,000 views, okay, you're going to get around 400 watch hours, okay, if the viewers are watching for, let's say, 2 minutes, you understand. But the same 12,000 views, if the video is over 1 hour, right, you're going to get over 1,000 watch hours. You get me? I wouldn't get about 1,000 watch hours for the same 12,000 views. You get me? Yeah. So this is a proof that if you create long form videos, they're really going to get a lot of watch hours. But there's a caution: the fact that you are creating long form videos doesn't mean you just create the long form videos. No, at least you need to make sure that the video is engaging so that your viewers can watch for long. You understand? If the viewers cannot watch the video for long, you are still not going to get to watch hours. Now, let me give you a trick here. So what it can be that on a channel, if you have a series video, what I mean by series video is that a video that is having similar titles or that is very similar, you can combine all of them into one long form videos, okay? Or let's say a 1 hour video, you understand? And then post it. You get me? Yes, make sure you do your editing very well so that it will make sense, you understand? And then you post such a video, and trust me, it's going to help you to get a lot of watch hours. So now let's talk about the second strategy, which is a lazy man's approach. This is what got me monetized on this particular channel. Now, for this lazy man's approach, for my subscribers here already, I think most of them know about it. But if you are new on this channel, you might not know about it. And before I'll tell you, I want you to use a second of your time to like this video for me, okay? And also subscribe to this channel. Now, this is it. So what you can do to get 1,000 watch hours in 5 days is that you can do live streaming. That is what I did. You understand? Within the 5 days, I was able to accumulate 1,000 watch hours, massive watch hours. You understand? It's not easy to get 1,000 watch hours in 5 days, okay? And on the first day of doing the live streaming, I got 1.8k views and watch hours of 14. You understand? And on the second day, got 100k views and watch hours of 400 plus. You understand? Just one video giving me 400 watch hours in just one day. That is what I am going to show you. You understand? And on the third day, got 61k views and watch hours of 246. And on the fourth day, I got 10k views and watch hours of 36. You understand? And so on and so forth. I did it for 5 days, and in total, I was able to get over 1,000 watch hours. You understand? So that is what I'm going to show you. It's a lazy man's approach, okay? So now, in order to do this, all you have to do is to, go to this website called Restream.io, okay? For my subscribers, I think they know about it already, but if you're new on this channel, I want you to check the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to get the link of this particular website, okay? So what you are going to do there is that you go to this particular website and then you are going to stream a video, okay? You are going to upload any video you want there and then stream it, okay? Now this website is having a loop section where, you know, it is going to repeat the video for you over and over again. Okay, but if your video is longer, it's having a paid version where, you know, it will allow you to upload very long form videos. You understand? Now, because I don't want you to be confused, I'm actually going to take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this thing so that you can also get your 1,000 watch hours or your 4,000 watch hours very, very fast, and then monetize your YouTube channel. So now let's get onto my phone screen. Guys, so the first thing you have to do is to go to Google and search for pesos.com. So this is the website. Yeah, so on pesos.com, you are going to get a lot of videos here to use for your streaming. Okay, now you can also use your personal videos, which is the best, and I recommend that because with that one you're not going to get any issues. Okay, this one is also free images, free videos, and I'm not going to get any issues as well, right? And if you want to use other people's videos too, you can, but you need to be very careful, very careful, so that you don't get any copyright issues. So if you want to use someone's video, make sure that you edit the video very well. You remove their sound totally. Okay, now this is the mistake some people made initially when I made a video on this particular topic. You understand? Some people were using other people's video without removing their sound, without editing it. Okay, so I need to tell you guys here so that we don't repeat that mistake. Okay, so now, so what you want to do is that you come to video. Okay, so when you come to video, you then select any video you want to use for your streaming. Okay, it depends on you, what you like, what is nice for you. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select this particular video. I think it's very nice. I'm going to use it for my streaming. You understand? So this is the first step you need to go through. After that, we then go to the Restream software. All right, guys, so this is the interface of the Restream software. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is that you need to sign up with your email address, or you can also use your Google account. Okay, so I have the link in the description and in the comment section. Okay, after signing up, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, so you have to click on new stream. You understand? So when you click on new stream, you are going to see Restream Studio. This is what we are going to use. Okay, so you click on the first one here, Restream Studio. So now we have to upload our video. So you click on the three dots down there, then go to local video. So once you click on local video, it's going to pop up, your gallery is going to pop up for you to select a video. Now let's wait for it to appear here. All right, so as you can see, it has appeared here, right? So now the next thing you're going to do is that, you know, we have to loop this video. Okay, so you click on the three dots here, then you click on loop video, right? Yes, so this loop will make sure that the video will play over and over again. Okay, so all you have to do is to put your phone down and then sleep, right? By the time you wake up, you get your watch hours. You understand? That is it. Very simple. You can also mute the sound. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to click on go live. Okay, yes, and then once you click on go live, you'll be allowed to enter the title of the live stream or the video. Okay, yes, so you enter the title, then click on next. Now the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to connect your YouTube channel to it. For me, I've connected it already, so I'll just click on that turn on symbol there. Okay, so I'll just turn it on to connect my YouTube channel. If you have not done that, you need to connect it. And then after that, you are going to if you have not connected the YouTube channel, you click on add channel to connect it. Okay, and then the next thing to do is to click on start streaming. All right, so our streaming has, you know, started, right? And
this is how it looks like. Okay, and if you want to stop it, to just go down there and then you click on stop streaming. You understand? Yeah. So guys, this is how it is. It's actually very easy and simple to use. Now it has other features. You can see the message box here. So if your viewers send a message or a comment, you are going to see it. Now, as I said earlier, if you don't want the first approach, you can use videos from Instagram, Facebook, and other places, but make sure that it is not copyrighted. You understand? Initially, when I made a video on this particular thing, there are some people who had issues with copyright because they were using copyrighted content. Please don't use someone's video without editing it. Make sure you remove the sound totally. You get me? And by doing that, you're not going to get any issues with copyright. You can even record your own personal videos. There was a time I recorded a stormy rain, you understand, and then I used it for streaming, and I got a lot of views and watch hours.
This is what you need to understand about this thing. Okay, you need to understand that when you start doing the streaming, you're not going to get a lot of views unless you are lucky and you get a lot of views. You understand? Yes, but as you see, when I started, I got just 1.8k views. You understand? And then the second attempt, I got 100k views. Okay, so you might not get views on that particular first one. Okay, but the more you keep on doing it, you are going to get your watch hours. And also the fact that you are getting a lot of watch hours does not mean that you should abandon your long form. No, you should keep on doing your long form videos. You understand? Because that is what will build an audience on your channel. You understand? Yes. But the live streaming does not help you build an audience. It gives you your watch hours. You understand? But your normal videos or your long form videos will help you build an audience on your channel, and then you're going to get monetized very fast.